Hey everyone, it's Randy and I am coming to you from my hotel in Miami. I just went to a high-end luxury estate sale in Coconut Grove and got some awesome inventory for my closet. So I wanted to show you what's about to go up in Rolling Rack Posh in the Poshmark app. All right, I'm gonna flip this camera around really quick. I don't know if I can. All right, we'll start with the bag. We've got a couple totes here. We've got Tory Burch little wallet situation here. This is really cute. There's a little wristlet chain on here, and then you can actually unzip this, and it's a 3-section deal. And there's a little change purse in the middle here. Right here, there's the middle part. So we've got purple and gold from Tory Burch. And then I just thought this was really cute. I honestly don't even know what the brand is. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But it's a little woven beach bag, looks super cute. We also found this big Tory Burch tote. It's really cool because it's got snaps right here. And it actually opens up and is expandable. So this whole thing can open up. I have stuff in here right now to make it look full. My coat and stuff is in here, but it's got 2 different pockets on the inside, and it's patent, and then this is more of a nylon material. And then these little gems, these were the find of the day. Louboutins, size 37. They're a maroon with a little bit of fringe, little stiletto action there, little peep toe. Super adorable. We hit pay dirt if you're a size 4 or a small, so if that's you, then head on over to Rolling Rack Posh and check this stuff out. This is, it says, I don't know if you can see it in here, the Stilt cigarette leg, Adriano Goldschmied jeans. They're black, really soft. Then we found a bunch of Rebecca Taylor stuff as well. We've got a size small, it's kind of like a gray and black lace flared fitted waist. Not quite empire waist, there is a seam here, but it's a little lower than that. And then let's move around. We found this Veronica Beard dress. Sorry if it's a little blurry here, try to focus it better. This dress is $550, new with tags. It is a size 4. You can see on the tag right there, and it's orange. It's got kind of a texture. It's a zip up back. It's lined on the inside, and it has a turtle kind of shell looking built-in belt. This is all kind of sewn in here, and there is lining underneath. And it's like a heavier, it's not that heavy, it's kind of a light linen, woven linen. And the back is a zipper, and all of that's kind of sewn on. It looks really cute. And this too is a size 4. If you're a 4, hit me up, let's start negotiating. We also have this black Diane von Furstenberg size 2. So there is some stuff for size 2s in here. And it kind of looks like a bandage, just a little black dress. It's cut in here that's pretty flattering. It'll make everybody look like a skinny mini if you can fit in this dress. And then a little contouring down here. We gotta clean some of these off. And then we've got this little fringe suede skirt. It's from Neiman Marcus, size small. Dry cleaning. It's not new with tags, but it's definitely been dry cleaned. Got a lot of Miranda Lambert fans that follow my store because I'm a fan. That looks like something she'd wear in concert or something. This dress is so cute. It's a size 4, I believe. It's also Diane von Furstenberg. Been dry cleaned. It's sleeveless, kind of a bandage looking top, and it's thick, so you probably wouldn't need to wear a bra. And then, how Miami is this? It's a maxi dress, so cute, lots of color, empire waist. And then we also have this Rebecca Taylor dress, size 4, and it's leather, like a really soft leather, and then a lined linen dress, and there is a skirt on the inside, like a little, not a skirt, a slip. And then this zips up the back as well. Whoop. And there we go. And so that's the luxury bed. We've got 2 beds. That's the luxury bed. Another kind of style that I like to keep in my store is a little bit more bohemian type stuff or trendy stuff. So we picked up one of these grandpa sweaters. It's pretty cool, all geometric, kind of like 80s, 90s style. Navy with mauve and teal and blue. That's really kind of cute. And then also found this dream catcher. I think it's made from like coconuts or something. Coconut Grove, that would make sense. It looks like it's handcrafted. And it's pretty big. I think I measured it and it's 55 inches from top to bottom and about, I think, 14 inches across. We also found a yoga mat bag with all the little chakra symbols on there. If you are into yoga and you need a bag, it's got a strap and it also has a little zipper for a pocket for stuff. That's in here. And then little Gypsy Spirit crop top here. Converse All-Stars. These are an 8 women's, 4 men's or boys. And then this really cute little size small Nike. It looks like a windbreaker, but it's kind of like a jogging jacket or a rain jacket. It's got pockets that are lined with mesh. You can see that. Little zips. This is all stretchy material. It's a little bit of a high-low. It comes up a little higher in the front. And then there's these. It's a hoodie. And the hood actually has Velcro at the top, or not Velcro, it has elastic at the top too for stretch. So that's what we found. Estate sailing today in Coconut Grove. It's all going to be listed at Rolling Rack Posh in the Poshmark app. If you haven't downloaded Poshmark yet, just download it, and if you're a first-time customer, you can use my code Rolling Rack Posh, and it'll give you $10 to go shopping with. So it'll give you a little money to get started spending money in the Poshmark app, and you can get a lot of designer stuff for a pretty decent price. So some of this stuff is pretty high end, but I will be open to negotiating. So if anything looks good, if you're a size 2 or a 4 or small, hit me up. Thanks, bye.